This is one of the problems I have been facing for a long time. So I have a local account on my PC and I haven't set a password for it. Now, every time I use that account and shut down the system, it automatically signs in to that very account when I boot Windows next time. Of course, this is a passwordless local account. I searched the web for solutions, and there's no easy way to disable this behavior. And nothing from registry edits to the local group policy editor worked either. Windows, for some reason, doesn't consider the possibility that people might have a setup with a passwordless local account, but don't want it to load automatically at boot. After an hour of effort, the only solution I found was to set a password for the account. This is where it gets interesting. Just like it's not mandatory to set a password on a local account, there are no specific requirements for it either. This means you can use something as simple as the number 1 or a single character, say Z, as the password. I did precisely that, and now Windows no longer automatically signs into the local account. To change the password, press Windows plus I to open Settings, go into the Accounts tab, then into Sign-in options, select Password, and click Add. Now enter any password, from something as simple as 1 or 2 to a more complex one. Then add a hint for it because that's not optional, and save the changes. From now on, every time you turn on the computer, Windows will load the sign-in screen instead of the passwordless local account. If you know any other confirmed solution, let us know in the comments.